Hi, Mother Stella. My name is Aldrin H. Angkon, and my friends call me Andre. And I am 34 years old, and I work as a restaurant manager in the famous fast food chain in the Philippines. I made this audition piece because I really want to mingle with other guys from the different places here in the Philippines. And aside from that, 10 years or 12 years for being single is already enough. Because gusto ko lang talagang maranasan kung paano umuwi ulit. Ayan, even though kung sino man yung makakapaspark ng puso ko, you know. And aside from that, I am a bisexual bottom po ako. Hindi naman ako mapili when in terms sa mga partners. Yung siguro para sa akin is yung mga nakakaintindi lang siguro sa akin. Ayan, and also yung ano lang talaga, yung parang pareho kami, no? Yung parang nagkakatugma yung gusto namin, no? And also I want to make sabi nila ano daw ako pag tiningnan daw ako kaya wala daw akong boyfriend, pag tiningnan daw ako sobrang stricto ko daw kasi I am so I don't know, yung parang naiinis pa ate. Yun daw yung mga yung sabi ng mga kaibigan ko pag once na I'm in my yung parang nag-iisip ako ng malalim. Yun po, yung parang yun lang daw talaga, parang mahirap daw lapitan. Pero with that po, no, gusto ko ding maging malaman ng lahat na ganun lang talaga yung ganun lang talaga yung physical appearance ko kasi I work in a restaurant and I want to make sure na they will be just going to yung parang respeto, no, and I don't like to make na parang I'm full from them, but then mabait po talaga ako, and so sana po tanggapin niyo po ako, Mother Stella, no, at papasukin niyo po ako sa Spark Camps ninyo. Sana po i-accept nyo po ang aking video audition na ito. Mother Stella, please help me, Mother Stella, and I really want to have a partner na soon if may ka-sparks po. Thank you po, bye-bye.